hindi pa din nila narinig yung journey niya dito, kung paano niya sinimulan tong group na to, Metamax Philippines International, na ngayon po talaga getting bigger and bigger. So palaki ng palaki ang grupo natin, and dito po talaga sa atin na team, ang ganda po talaga ng flow. Parang pamilya po yung mga naandito. So kung mga bago po kayo, salamat po, and pinaunlakan nyo yung invitation mga taong nag-invite sa inyo. And wag po kayong mahihiya. Later po, sasagutin po namin lahat ang mga katanungan. So ngayon naman po, pakinggan po natin ang pag-share ng ating grand or top leader dito sa Metamax Philippines International. Isa po siyang babae. Siyempre, alam naman po na lahat yan. Napakabait, napaka-humble, and napakaganda, napaka-sexy sa kanya lahat. And napakahusay niya po talaga na leader. Though hindi niya po talaga linya, pero nang magpunta siya dito, simula niya ang Metamax. Napakita niya na lahat pala ng best lalabas kapag Metamax yung ginagawa mo na negosyo. So, hindi ko na po paralel. Share niya po sa atin ang kanyang journey dito sa Metamax, and pakinggan po natin at tingnan po natin kung sa atin ba makakatulong po ba to kung para po sa atin ng Metamax. Siguro po marami po tayong mapupulot na idea sa kanya. So, to all our guests and all our BIP partners na nandito po ngayon, we have 55 participants. Please help me welcome Ma'am Christian Caperi. Hello, Ma'am Christian. Naka-mute ka, Ma'am.
Nandiyan na naman ako, hindi alam kung anong pipindutin. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ma'am Aida. Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Grabe naman yun. Anyway, welcome everyone. Welcome po. Thank you so much, Sir Carlos, for that wonderful presentation. And also, I would like to thank Ma'am Jonah for sharing today. Actually, nag-message ako sa kanya. Na-surprise din siya kasi sabi ko, you're one of the panel today. Sabi niya, nakita ko nga. Sabi niya, surprise na naman ako. Nilagay na naman ulit ako. But it's okay. Like, it's so nice to hear testimony from our family and friends over here in this community. Na hindi lang tayo parati yung everyday nagsishare. So, narinig natin hindi lang sa, ako lang yung nakikita at naririnig nyo every time nagsusum tayo, at meron tayong mga kasamahan. Actually, thank you all so much. Bago mag-umpisa sa sharing ko, I would like to thank the MAGCOM, the Management Committee of Metamax Philippines International. Lahat na nakikita nyo mga mukha na nagsasalita, yan po yung MAGCOM natin. Thank you all so much, guys, support and your love sa team natin, because we are growing because of you guys. You're the backbone of this team. So, ako po'y lubos na pagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil as I keep telling everybody, this is not my forte. This is not my line. At the beginning, hindi nga ako marunong mag-share, but then natuto na lang ako magsalita dito. Yun nga parati sinasabi ni Sir Vince, ang mga Pepe nagkakaroon na ng lakas magsalita ngayon. So these two people na nag-mold sa akin para magsalita, Sir John and Sir Vince, ito yung nagtulak sa akin. Kaya mo yan. So kaya ngayon nakakapagsalita na ako kahit paano. But anyway, thank you all so much, guys. I love you all. Love you so much. Thank you for your support in this team. Ma'am Jonah, I was so touched and I was moved with what you shared today. Like, napayak ako, kaya I know kung nakikita niyo ako nagpupulos na naman ako ng mukha ko. Kasi it's all our heart's desire to be a channel of blessing. We wanted to help. That's all our heart's desire. We wanted to earn. We want to elevate our family's standard, na mabigyan natin kung ano yung kailangan ng family natin. Pero meron pa rin tayo, deep down in our hearts, we wanted to share as well the blessing to others. And naiyak ako kasi, wala. Iyak na wala pa. Ang pinaka-heart's desire ko talaga at the beginning is the people from back home, sa place ko where I come from. Alam ko na maraming mahihirap. I didn't come from the city. I come from the farm. Okay? So, we have a church over there na yung heart ko talaga is to help them. At the beginning nung nag-umpisa tayo sa MetaMax, sabi ko hindi ko kaya mag-share, wala akong kakilala ng mga networkers. So sabi ko ang gagawin ko lang is to grow my account. Sabi ko tapos i-invite ko yung family and friends ko. Tapos yung mga kasamahan ko sa church gusto ko matulungan. And then, ayan, marami ako nashiran, gustong mag-join. Siyempre, kailangan sila i-PIF. Pero nung nakilala ko na itong grupo natin ngayon, imbis na sila yung tulungan ko, ay pinulungan ko itong mga malalaki kasi ang nakita ko naman if I'll try to help first those people that works, it will bring me higher return and it will give me more power to be able to share with the people at the bottom. So, kumbaga, umabot na tayo ng 3 months, sila hindi pa rin nakakapasok, nag-message pa rin sila sa akin, ate, kailan ako makakapasok? Like, it's heartbreaking, pero sige lang guys, darating tayo dyan. Soon, very soon na talaga, very soon na. Like, yun guys, sabi ko, patapos na ako sa isa eh. Tapos, dito na naman ako sa kabilang grupo. Sit down. Mommy is talking, I told you. Sorry. Okay. Sorry po. Sorry. So I know they're here with us. They're here with us sa Zoom natin. Guys, I will get back to you, okay? So your Ate Chris is not leaving you behind. Andito ako and Kenna is there for you to help you guys. So makakapasok din kayong lahat. Anyway, so para sa ating, meron tayong mga guests, before ako mag-share, I would like to welcome them. Actually, sa PAGCOM natin, this is the line of Sir John Fruto. Isa lang po ang hindi kalinya ni Sir John Fruto dito. So halos dito lahat is Sir John and Sir Vince line. So ito yung PAGCOM natin. And then I just started to build up the team sa line naman ng asawa ko ngayon. And actually, it's been like sleepless nights again for me. Dahil walang stop na naman na meetings after meetings, na umabot na kami ng madaling araw, nagmi-meeting pa rin ulit. Balik na naman sa back zero na naman ako, pero nakaka-enjoy naman. I would like to welcome sa kabilang grupo naman, ang direct ko naman doon ay si Mami Gemma Lamanilaw. If you guys knows her, she's the mother of Shirin Ray, his partner. Sana makasama natin si Shirin mag-concert after the Zoom. Anyway, so Mami Gemma is my direct of Joe's line. So we have Sir Rick Manalo. So he's with us right now. Sir Rick. Mami Gem is not here, right? Mami Gem, can you open cam though? Can you say hi? Parang nasa biyahe pa siya eh. Mami Gem, wala ata. Si Sir Rick, nandito si Sir Rick Manalo. Sir Rick, pwede mag-say hi po? Nasa meeting din to. Nasa Zoom natin, pero nasa meeting din. Grabe, hindi pa siya nakapag-sign up.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Rick.
Good morning, everyone.
Yay! So, ayan, mga natin to, mga malalakas din natin to. So, we have Ma'am Rodeline Igasan. Ma'am Rodeline, nandito pa si Ma'am Rodeline?
Yeah, I'm here!
Yay! Thank you so much for joining us, Ma'am Rodeline. Pakita naman yung ganda natin dyan, kapatid. Ayan, yun yung mga bagay.
Good evening, Ma'am Rodeline.
Hello! Karating ko lang.
Meeting naman.
Kapag nag-drive ako, nakikinig naman ako. Oo. Hello sa lahat.
Thank you for joining us. I don't know if Dr. Malana is with us as well, pero I don't know if he's with us, but I know Dr. Betita is here with us, so I don't know if I haven't talked to him yet though. We have lots of top leaders joining the other team, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited na I don't know if we can ask Doctor to open the cam because last time nag-meeting tayo, hindi siya nag-open. Doc, can we request you to say hi though? Only if okay, but if it's not, it's fine. I know I haven't talked to him yet. Na-met ko yesterday was Dr. Malana, and we have a long talk yesterday. Umabot na madaling araw. Grabe, ang saya. Anyway, I think he's not ready to open the camera. Anyway, I would like to thank you all so much, guys. It's so exciting. I'm so excited because I just want to let you know guys na ang team natin, hindi lang tayo basta-bastang team. I know maliit pa lang tayo compare sa team ni Sir Hans. Pero just to let you know that I am directly connected with our manager. My account is directly connected with our manager, Charlie. And Charlie is not just a manager in MetaMax. She is the top training officer of MetaMax. So, kaya pinupush siya ako parate kasi naunahan na siya ni Manager Jenny kasi nandun sa kanila si Sir Hans. Pero sinabi ko, nag-chat kami kagabi pa and then kanina din nag-chat din kami, sabi ko sa kanya that we have a great team. So we have like, right now we are already 883 in our team. So sabi ko, what we have right now, it's gonna duplicate and it sounds like it's gonna grow more faster and bigger because we have this new team upcoming and they're very excited, they're very energetic, they're very enthusiastic para mag-work with our team together. So let's wait and see where this MetaMax Philippines International is gonna be. So I'm so excited, so excited. Even ang team Nigeria natin, yun din, ang ungulit din. Sige lang guys, makakapasok na yung lahat. Anyway, thank you all so much guys for joining us today sa Zoom natin. So I know there's some guests that we have here na hindi ko pa na-talk, hindi ko pa nakausap. So I would like to share just a little bit of my story when I started and how I started MetaMax. So in July of 2023, nakilala ko si MetaMax. That's when dahil during the pandemic, tinanggal ako ng asawa ko from the payroll sa business namin para maka-avail ako sa unemployment insurance ng Canada. Here in Canada, when you're working here, part ng salary mo you're paying insurance sa government. So once matanggal ka sa trabaho, ang government will give you a subsidy for you to be able to survive. So meron kang unemployment insurance na matatanggap. So during the pandemic, dahil nga maraming company nag-close, ang iba na pinang-lay off, so nilay off ako ng asawa ko in order for me to avail the unemployment insurance. So dahil hindi niya ako binalik sa payroll, the government, when you're removed from the system, they will keep sending you emails and sites that you can apply for a job. So every day, maraming pumapasok sa akin, Actually, na-stop lang itong January dahil binalik ako ng asawa ko sa payroll company namin. By the way, we are running a small business here in Toronto. Wala ako, sorry. We were running a small business here in Toronto ng asawa ko. It's just a home-based business. So I will connect this later paano ko na si MetaMax. So anyway, in July, naka-receive ako ng link na ito. Dahil ang government parati nang papadala ng link sa atin kung saan tayo makakapag-apply for job na available. So dito ko na si MetaMax. But then dahil sa nature ng payment natin which is USDT, so na pumasok ako pero medyo off ako, just like everybody else, just like all of us, like we're still thinking like, is this the right one? Is this another one that we've been through before? So later, Baba, Mommy is on the Zoom. I know. Dom, look at Mommy after the Zoom, okay? After. Mommy, wait for Mommy. Wait for Mommy. Sorry po, meron akong commercial as always. So anyway, na-receive ko itong link na ito dahil ang government nagpapadala sa atin ng link kung saan tayo pwede makapag-apply. So dahil sa nature ng salary at saka ng nature parang naisip din natin nag-ipan ng konti. So, pero pinasok ko pa rin siya.
Tawag mo na.
Hello po. Mag-paki-off po. Madidistract mo naman ako madali. So anyway, pinasok natin si MetaMax, pinasok ko si MetaMax, pero naging quiet ako. So, since my husband doesn't want me to join no more to any investment scheme, kasi dito, maglalagay ka rin ng pera. Later. Alright, later. You watch TV first. Thank you, Dom. Go, sit down. Sorry po. So, Ngayon, dahil nga sa marami na rin ako napasukan, as I've said, like I'm not a networker, pero parati ako na-invite sa mga investments din dati. I lost almost 100,000 din po ng pera ng asawa ko na missing kong duling, walang naibalik sa akin. So, binawalan na po tayong mag-join sa mga ganito. So, kasi muntik naming mawala itong bahay, 2 years pa lang po kami dito, but in just 1 year over here, muntik na itong mahatak ng bank kasi nangutang ako sa bangko para invest sa isang platform which is trading platform. So, tapos wala namang bumalik. Anyway, to make story short, kasi yung bahay, galit na galit sa ng asawa ko, but then, andito pa rin kami. Pero, binawalan na ako. Wag ka nang mag-join, pabayaan mo ang finances. Ako ang bahala. So, hindi naman natin maiwasan. We have this heart's desire as always. We wanted to help. Nakakaya naman po na mahingi tayo sa asawa natin ng pera para itulong natin sa mga kababayan natin, sa pamilya natin, or sa mga kaibigan natin. So, hindi natin pwede magawa yan. So, kaya tayo naghahanap ng own way natin na magkakaroon ng sarili atin. So anyway, doon ako pumasok kay MetaMask. So it takes me 5 months to work on sa dalawa kong account. Nag-open ako ng account ko at saka second account ko which is para naman sa asawa ko without his knowledge, of course. So I tried to work it out yung dalawang account para naman siya, in-upgrade ko siya ng in-upgrade. So it took me 5 months dahil wala akong formula kung paano ko siya i-work out. So around December, na to target ko end of December, mamax ko na yung dalawang account. At that time, we only have up to 600, which is a 3-star partner, 3-star package. So na-max ko yung dalawang account, doon na ako nag-umpisa na, okay, mag-share na ako sa mga tao kasi pinupush na ako ng manager natin. When am I going to start? So sabi ko naman, wala akong kakayanan na mag-share dahil hindi naman ako networker, hindi naman ako convincing kind of person para mag-share. So sabi ko, I will just try to grow my account at least yung earnings ko, yun yung papasok ko yung family and friends ko, mga taga-church namin, yung iniyakan kanina. So anyway, dahil nga nakapag-withdraw na ako, sabi ko pwede na ako magpasok ng 2 tao. Na-invite naman ako ng isa ding networker na pumasok sa isang trading platform na naman. So, sabi ko, okay, meron akong hawak, pwede to. So, in just 8 days pala yun. In just 8 days, magiging, how much was that? 450%. So, sabi ko, okay to, sige, ipasok ko to, at mag-grow siya, edi mas marami akong taong may pasok sa MetaMask. Kasi si MetaMask, I've been working with MetaMask since July, so nag-withdraw na ako, nag-enjoy na ako. Sabi ko, ang tao, ipapasok ko kay MetaMask kasi ano ko na si MetaMask. So anyway, in just 2 or 3 days, nawala si Photo. Nalungkot na naman ako kasi binawasan ko yung income ko kay MetaMask dahil pinasok ko na naman sa another basket na failure basket na naman. Anyway, I encourage myself, don't be disheartened. Stay focused. Why don't you use this opportunity to share with the people in your GC? So yun, nandun yung mga taga photo GC, mga tao sa loob ng GC, nagrereklamo nga kasi nga magpapasko, nawala ang pera na scam. So yung iba, umiiyak na sa galit. So anyway, shinare ko yung opportunity doon. So doon ko nakilala sila Sir John Photo, doon ko nakilala sila Ma'am Len, sila Ma'am Nena, sila Sir Art. Most of my 10 directs ay nanggaling doon. So ngayon, inask ko na ngayon si manager, sabi ko, this time, papasok ang mga meron akong kakilala, which is always Sir John sa networker for real. Sabi ko, papasok ang mga networker, sabi ko, I'm sure na maghanap sila ng legalities. I know ito yung hinihintay ng lahat. Just like a Dr. Manala yesterday. It's okay. I'll study the system inside the dashboard. Just go straight to the legalities. Okay, so nanghingi ako kay manager, sabi ko, anong legalities ang pwede natin ibigay sa mga tao na maghahanap. So sinend niya sa akin yung link. Sabi niya, okay, this is the link now where you can find the registered companies here in Ontario. So sabi niya, just go to the search engine. Sabi niya, ilagay mo si MetaMask. So ngayon nilagay ko sila MetaMask, lumabas nga. So naisip ko naman, kaya nga nilang gumawa ng dashboard. Kaya din lang gumawa ng link na para maging looking legit. So sabi ko, no, kailangan ko pa mag-dig deeper. So what I did is, sabi ko, okay, why don't you try to, kinausap ko yung sarili ko, why don't you try to put on other companies like Tim Hortons, like Starbucks or McDonald's. Kung naisip ko din, sabi ko, pwede din nila ilagay yun para maging legit siya tingnan. So paghanap mo, makikita mo kasi tech company nga sila eh. So sabi kanya, why don't you put your own business? Kasi hindi nila kilala ang business niyo. So, yun na, nilagay ko yung company namin. Nilagay ko sa search engine. Sabi ko, pag ito lumabas, ang company namin kasi for sure, hindi naman nila kilala. Sabi ko, can you just please stop? So, sabi ko, pag lumabas ang company namin, ang registration ng company namin. So, legit siya na company, which is registered talaga dito. So, nilagay ko yung sa search engine, pangalan ng company namin. And I'm so grateful dahil lumabas siya. So from that time on, nakita ko, sabi ko, yes, this is it. Hindi na ako mahiya mag-share, hindi na ako matakot mag-share dahil nga registered nga siya dito sa kanila. So I'm so happy. Doon na ako naging excited even more. Tawag na ako ng tawag sa mga nakapasok na, mga kaibigan ko na gusto pumasok din. Doon ako na-notice mga tawa ko, sabi niya, parati ka na lang nasa telepono, mga lalaki pa yung kausap mo. Sino yung mga kausap mo? Ano yan? So sabi ko sa kanya, may trabaho ako. Sabi niya, I know you're doing something behind my back. What is that? Can you tell me? So sabi ko sa kanya, shinare ko sa kanya yung MetaMask. Tapos shinare ko sa kanya ang legalities. So doon pa ako nasalang sa yung question about, meron tayong second Zoom in na gusto ko umiyak. Kasi nga, alam mo yung nahirapan akong sagutin yung mga questions kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganito. So that was just my second day of Zoom. So kasama ko si Sir John, tapos si Sir John nawala. Sabi ko, nasaan na siya? Bakit? Sabi ko, siya lang yung magbaback up sa akin para pag-answer sa mga questions. Kasi mayroon akong sinend sa kanya na maraming materials para matulungan niya ako pagsagot. Nawala siya. Gusto ko nang umiyak. Nagtago na ako sa camera tapos nagbuntong hininga doon. No? Sabi ko, Lord, kaya ko to. Pastor ba naman yung sa akin, nag-grill sa akin. Alam mo yung quick questioning ka na para kang scammer na kini-question niya. So, ikaw kung hindi ka marunong mag-deal ng emotion mo, talagang iiyak ka, especially ako, iyakan mo naman ako. So, ayun, talagang inaano ko yung sarili ko, pinapacify ko. So, question niya about yung bakit daw nakaregister siya as sole proprietary. So, doon ko question yung asawa ko. Sabi ko, anong kaibahan ng company, yung LTD, Inc., yung mga ganong title compared sa sole proprietary? Question ko siya, it's because he is running his own business he's gonna be 20 years this coming year, 2024, he's gonna be 20 years running his own business. Sabi ko, bakit yung company mo na napakaliit, ikaw lang nagtatakbo lahat-lahat, tapos naka-Inc siya, Target Promotions Inc. Sabi ko, bakit hindi siya naka-sole proprietary? Kasi ikaw naman may-ari, ikaw rin ang nagraran. Sabi ko, bakit sila instead na company or LTD, bakit sila naka-sole proprietary? So, in-explain naman niya sa akin what is the difference of company and sole proprietary. Pag company nag-shutdown, ang mangyayari, walang habol ang tao sa company. So, the only one has the right para maghabol after the company is the government to make sure that company nagbabayad ng tax. So, ang sole proprietary naman is pwedeng habulin yung tao behind the registration. So, lahat ng tao pwede mag-go after sa person na yan na nag-register. So, kung meron siyang mga assets na nakapangalan sa kanya, pwede siyang ma-freeze ng government para i-release ang pera sa mga tao. So, kaya sabi ko, mas pala tayo, mas may habol pa tayo sa sole proprietary kaysa sa company. Kasi si company, pag nag-declare lang yan ng bankruptcy, wala na tayong habol, tapos na tayo. So tayo, kahit bahay niya, kung may bahay siya, pwede natin kunin. But anyway, we're not praying for that. Because our company was registered March 23 of 2023, and our registration will be finished in March 22 of 2028. So, as we all know, our company is modeled after the model business of our company is TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So, as we all know that Facebook naging number 1 siya sa world market in traffic business economy for 14 years. Naging number 1 siya. ByteDance, I know in-explain to ni Sir Carlos kanina, ByteDance was become the number 1 in just 5 years. So MetaMask naman, ang goal nila is to become the top company's world market in 2 to 3 years. So guys, we just turned 1 year. So the company, that's why the company is like doing their best to develop the system para mapaakyat tayo. Paano nila tayo paakyatin in 2 to 3 years. So kaka-turn pa lang natin last month ng 1 year. So we are still in the building stage of MetaMask. So as we all know, those companies, hindi sila katulad ni MetaMask na model na tayo ay lahat ng mga users, lahat ng mga traffic inside inside MetaMask, lahat tayo ay nag-i-earn. Whereas those companies like Facebook and TikTok, hindi naman lahat ng nasa TikTok at Facebook or YouTube nag-i-earn. You still have to have at least 5,000 followers or 60,000 views in order for you to get one ad, right? Para ka magkaroon ng sahod. Whereas in MetaMask, pagpasok mo, bibilhin mo lang is the right of, nakalimutan ko yung term, Sir Carlos, mga yun. Meron tayong agent. The right to be an agent of MetaMask, which is to build the traffic team, your own traffic team. And with that, you will have the right as well to do the task every day. So because of that, we have a great opportunity. We have a great chance to be the leading company in the market in 2 to 3 years. So para sa ating lahat na nakapasok ngayon, I hope that will ignite you even more na mag-work sa traffic team, because all of us here are traffic suppliers. Because the time you get into the system, nagki-create na tayo ng traffic by just clicking the ads, right? By giving ratings to the ads. So for that reason, you don't want to earn by yourself. You want to share it with your family, diba? So papayag ka ba, kumikita ka, tapos yung asawa mo nagtitil ng land, tapos nagpapaano sa init pagkatapos ang kinikita ang liit-liit, tapos ikaw nasa bahay na nakaganito-ganito dollar ang tinatanggap mo. Of course, you want to share it to your family, you want to share it to your friends, you want to share it to your kids, right? So that's how we're going to maximize our income. So we have to share it to our family. So with that, nagiging traffic supplier ka na sa company. So we are all traffic suppliers here sa company natin, and I hope that we can grow our team, each one of us. All right. So God bless everyone. That's all I can share for tonight. This is Christian once again. I'm from Bayonne City, Negros Oriental, Philippines, and I'm here currently right now living in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, where our company is being registered. So good night and have a good night, everyone. Sorry. Ma'am Aida, back to you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Christian.